Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to close your card.co account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to use card.co. How do you actually go ahead and close your account so that it's no longer active? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log into your card.co account. On the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on manage your account. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down. And then there's going to be an option that says delete your account. So once you click on this, just simply follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your card.co account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.